right, got the dancing drums bonus. Let's see what I can do.
Go drums.
All right. Let's see what I want to go with.
Now we need more games. 3 or 5, or 10 or 5. 10. 5. That's an upgrade.
Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see what we can do here.
Oh, look how big that is.
Okay, let's get some big here.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
That should be good.
Yeah,
All
coin
right,
shower.
There we go.
Fireworks too.
Yeah, look at that. Let's keep it going. All right, it's going. It's an excellent 2-second spin here.
That was like 300 or 3,000. Oh no, what is that? 32,768 ways. That's a good one.
Wild all the way.
Yeah. Nice.
33.
Oh.
No,
Let's get more wilds. No, this is good.
There
This is
we
good.
go.
Oh, that's
Oh,
good.
it's all the way across.
That's good.
That is all the way across.
Look how fast that's going.
That is going up fast. That's great. That is a good one. Yeah, look at how many ways out of this game. It's getting up in Henry territory.
Yeah.
One spin to go. Still going. All right, look at that.
You did it.
Oh man, additional spins.
Additional spins, and look at this. This is hand-pay territory.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Because you got the, I think you got the food dogs.
Oh yeah,
You got the food dogs, yeah.
all the way across.
And a retrigger.
There.
288 bet.
Yeah, look at
That's
that.
impressive.
That's impressive. Three spins to go. Still going. All right, 3 spins.
Oh, yeah.
Still going. Oh wait.
It's still
yeah,
going,
still
shower.
going.
Still paying. Look how
Oh
fast
yeah,
it is.
look at that. Yeah, 288 bet. Can't beat that. All right. Let's see what this goes.
Oh,
look
missed
at
it by
that.
1. But it's still
It
good.
still has the
What is
dogs.
that? What is going on?
The dogs are paying.
Look at those dogs.
Food
Those are
dogs.
lions.
Two dogs.
They're dogs.
Nice.
Last
All right,
one.
last spin.
Oh, retrigger again.
Retrigger.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Now we got 11 spins. Wow, this is great. Look at that. All right, here we go. Spin number 9. Small one.
All right, let's keep going.
Let's go. Spin number 10. comes. One spin to go.
Do we re-trigger
Get a
again?
re-trigger.
Wow. That's still going to be
So
amazing.
good. Alright, way to go. Look at that. It's a nice payout for 288.
Yeah.
I will take it. That is great. Dancing drums.
Explosion. Ultimate explosion.
Ultimate explosion.
Got the gold drums.
Got a hand bait. Lots of color on there.